Hello, welcome. In this video I will talk about this tool, Polygons or Stars tool. I will click on it. Let us see what we can do with this tool. The amazing tool as you can see. I will show you something. I will draw this star. I will use selection tool to change the position, but I will return to star or polygons tool to manipulate this object. You can control this node. You can create unlimited shapes by this tool. You can control this point or this point. You can increase the number of corners. You can increase the number of corners 337, as you can see, or you can decrease the number of corner 3, at least 3 corners. You can also spoke ratio. Let us see what is the spoke ratio. This is the spoke ratio. You can also increase number of corners. You can draw many of shapes with this tool. You can increase or decrease the roundness. Roundness of corner. If you increase or decrease the roundness, look at this. You can also control, as I told you, this point. You can randomize the object, also become random, or keep the randomness 0. This is depend on your needs. This reset shape parameter. You can reset shape parameters as default. This button, very important. You can reset the shape parameters as default, used in Inkscape. You can convert it to polygons also. You can increase the roundness or decrease the roundness. Look at this shapes. Just I increase the roundness or decrease the roundness. Every value have its own shape. Look at this shape. You can increase the randomness or decrease the randomness. You can also reset to default value. That's it. You can try this tool and draw amazing shapes.